Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is the second Modern Jive Technique clip looking at breaks and hesitations. So you know what a break is? You found some tunes with some breaks in, and you can stop on count 8. Now if you think of a first move as going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the chances of you actually stopping at the right point in the music, if you go, oh, I can hear it coming, and you do a first move and then stop, your odds aren't great because you've only got one place you can stop. So we're going to add some more. And the best way to hit a break is A, hear it coming, B, do something simple just before so it's easy to then actually hit the break. So we've stopped on count 8. We're going to look at how to stop on count 6. And that looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you've stopped, starting up again. You have choices. You could do what we did before. 1, 2, 3, and you're back in. Or you could start up again and do the return. So you could carry on from where you were or go back to the start. So let's break that down. We'll give you another view as well. So we've got back 1, in 2, twist out 3, twist in 4, sending the lady into the turn 5. We're going to push, lock the arm just like we did on the break on 8, but instead of having the thumb down, we're going to push down with the heel of the hand, and instead of the guy facing the lady, because that's going to be awkward for the arm, guys turn to the right, ladies you basically get the same break you got last time. So we're there, we're stopped. Now from here you could bring the lady back in like we did before, or we could do the same little push and then lead the energy up to the right to get the return. And that's what I suggest we do. So what we'll do, break on 6, 2, 1, preparation, into the return. Here we go. 5, 6, break on 6. We go back, in, twist, twist, turn and break, 2, 1, preparation, return and back. So now you have 2 places you can stop. You can stop on 6 and you can stop on 8. Now 7. When I was taught this, I really didn't like the solution I was given for 7, because the solution I was given for 7 goes like this. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is basically hitting the break and doing the return all at the same time. And I can tell you right now, if you try that with a lady who's unprepared, it is going to be a disaster. You don't want to go there. So I have a much nicer, easier solution for 7. 7 this way, no extra effort. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm done. And then I'm just back where I was on 6, which means I've now got a break for 6. 7 came for free, 8 we've already got, so we're up to 3 places we can stop. One thing we've not mentioned so far is that count 1 and count 8 are the same count. People often think that a first move is 8 counts long. In actuality it's only 7 counts long, but you're counting the start and the stop twice. So if you did 2 first moves, if it was 8 counts long, it would be 16. If you do 2 first moves and it's 15, you know you're counting the ends twice, it's actually 7. So let's try it. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there you go. It's definitely 7 counts long, which means 8 and 1 are the same, which means we've now got a place to break for 1, 6, 7 and 8. Now the solution for 2, a bit like 7, not very nice, because the solution for 2 means you have to go back and you have to try and find a break from here, which means often people try and do really fast things like bringing the lady in and colliding really fast. It can be done, it can be fantastic, but it's hard, and if it goes wrong you hear the lady go and you're going to be unpopular. So my recommendation is do count 2 the same way we did count 7, because 2, if 8 and 1 are the same, 2 and 9 are the same. So we can do it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, or count 2, you just do a double return and you got it sussed. So now we have 1, 2, 6, 7 and 8. Our odds are looking much better. Join us next time and we'll show you how to get 3, 4 and 5. Hope you've had a good time. Thank you very much for watching Modern Floorcast, and like, subscribe, hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and we'll pop a music recommendation on the end. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.